Good news na may gusto hindi naman yung girlfriend natin ni Boy pa.
Try na pera. Calculating it, sabi is calculating it, interpreting person, correlation, value.
The person, coefficient, correlation, psi, statistical significance, is low, is the relationship between two variable, is fixed, is true, align, is to the data of two variables, is a show, delta relationship of the variables is measures, sa help, person, correlation, coefficient, calculator.
The Pearson correlation measures the strength of the linear relationship between two variables. It has a value between -1 to 1 with a value of -1, meaning total negative linear correlation. 0 being no correlation and +1 meaning a total positive correlation.
To standard whether there is an station between exam performance and times with receiving.
To calculate the Pearson correlation standard by determining its variable standard deviation as well as the covariance between them. The correlation covariance divided by the product of the two variable standard deviation. Standard deviation is a measure of the dispersion of data from its average.
R is always a number between -1 and 1. R less than 0 indicate a positive association. R greater than 0 indicates a negative association. Value of R near 0 indicates a very weak linear relationship.
Pearson correlation coefficient are the most widely used correlation coefficient and is known by many names. Pearson R, D by rate correlation, Pearson product moment correlation, coefficient PP and CP. The correlation coefficient. The Pearson correlation coefficient is a descriptive statistic, meaning that it is summarized characteristic of data set. Specifically, it describes the strength and direction of the linear relationship between two quantitative variables.